Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gay gifts are probably one of the most thoughtful and personal ways to show appreciation for the special men in your life, whether it's for a birthday, anniversary, holiday, or just because. Finding the perfect present can be a delightful journey, filled with opportunities to discover unique items that reflect his personality, interests, and style. From sophisticated accessories to fun and quirky gadgets, the world of gift-giving for gay men offers a diverse range of options to suit every taste and budget. This video aims to guide you through some of the top picks, ensuring your next gift is a guaranteed hit and a memorable expression of your affection. Number 5. Beard Kit for Men Grooming and Care. Introducing the complete beard kit designed for every man's grooming and care needs. Achieve a perfectly styled and healthy beard with ease. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: 3 types of beard oil, wash, balm, a comb, brush, and scissors. It's the perfect solution for maintaining your beard's appearance. Crafted with high-quality ingredients, our beard oils, wash, and balm nourish and soften your facial hair. Experience the difference that premium care makes. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beard kit is an ideal choice for husbands, boyfriends, dads, or any man in your life. Celebrate anniversaries, birthdays, or holidays with this practical present. From daily grooming to special occasions, this kit empowers you to effortlessly style and maintain your beard. Achieve a polished look that boosts your confidence. Make this Christmas unforgettable with a gift that keeps on giving. It's the perfect stocking stuffer, ensuring he looks his best throughout the holiday season and beyond. What we like. This comprehensive grooming kit is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their beard care routine. It includes everything needed for a polished look. If you're searching for a thoughtful gift for a husband, boyfriend, or dad who takes pride in his beard, this set offers exceptional value and convenience. What people say. This is a great gift for gay men. It's a well-designed and functional item. The quality is excellent and it makes a perfect present. Number 4. Urban Accents Movie Night Popcorn Gift Set. Transform your ordinary movie nights into an extraordinary culinary experience. Discover a world of gourmet flavors right in your own home. Indulge in 3 distinct varieties of premium, non-GMO popcorn kernels. Each kernel is carefully selected for the perfect pop and satisfying crunch. Unleash your taste buds with 5 unique and flavorful seasoning blends. From savory to sweet, there's a perfect match for every palate. Searching for a unique and delightful gift? This set is ideal for parties, Father's Day, graduations, or simply for the movie lover in your life. Create lasting memories by sharing this exceptional popcorn experience with friends and family. It's more than just a snack, it's an event. Experience the difference of small batch craftsmanship. We've perfected our recipes to bring you big, bold flavors in every bite. What we like. Experience a cinematic snack adventure with this gourmet popcorn set. It features unique kernel varieties and delicious seasonings for a truly elevated movie-watching experience. If you're planning a cozy night in or looking for a fun gift for a movie buff, this set provides a delightful and flavorful treat. What people say. The design is sleek and modern, fitting perfectly into any contemporary living space. It features multiple compartments, making it incredibly versatile for organizing various items. The build quality is exceptional, using durable materials that are sure to last. Number 3. PONPUR Globe Whiskey Decanter Set. Looking for a unique gift for the special man in your life? This decanter set, with its elegant globe design, adds a touch of class to any home bar or living space. It's the perfect way to present his favorite spirits. More than just a dispenser, this is a true work of art. Admire the detailed antique ship and the beautifully etched world map on the glasses as you rotate the globe. It's a skilled artisan's hand-blown masterpiece. This premium set includes everything you need for the perfect drinking experience. It features a lead-free globe decanter, wooden tray, stopper, funnel, 2 etched glasses, and 2 reusable whiskey stones. Enjoy your drink without ice dilution. Make any occasion memorable with this thoughtful gift. It's ideal for Father's Day, Christmas, birthdays, or anniversaries. It's a complete set ready for him to celebrate life's fine moments with his favorite bourbon, scotch, or other spirits. With a generous decanter capacity of 850 milliliters and 230 milliliters glasses, this set is designed for enjoyment. We are committed to your satisfaction, so if you're not happy with your purchase, please contact us. What we like. Savor your favorite spirits in style with this exquisite globe decanter set. It's designed to impress and enhance the drinking experience without dilution. If you appreciate fine craftsmanship and want to add a touch of sophistication to your home bar or are looking for a distinguished gift for a whiskey enthusiast, this set is an ideal choice. What people say. This is a great gift for gay men. The product is well designed and functional. It's a unique and thoughtful present. Number 2. Sparklove Personalized Leather Toiletry Bag. Experience triple layer protection with our premium PU leather bag. Its water-resistant, scratch-proof exterior and quick-dry lining safeguard your toiletries, ensuring durability and ease of cleaning. Make it uniquely yours or a perfect gift with double-sided customization. Add names or monograms in 4 classic colors for a truly bespoke design that blends practicality with sentiment. Our precision 3D laser engraving creates crisp, tactile patterns for a sophisticated, dimensional finish. This durable craftsmanship merges elegance with everyday practicality. Stay organized on the go with its smart, expandable design and wide dual zipper access. Multiple compartments keep your essentials neatly stored and easily accessible for any adventure. Travel with confidence thanks to its fully waterproof construction, including sealed zippers and seams. The quick-dry inner layer and stain-resistant coating make it easy to maintain, keeping your items dry and protected. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This bag is ideal for Father's Day, birthdays, or any occasion, offering a luxurious and practical present for husbands, dads, or groomsmen. What we like. Keep your essentials organized and protected with this stylish, personalized toiletry bag. Its durable and water-resistant construction makes it perfect for travel. If you're seeking a unique and practical gift for a husband, dad, or son, especially for occasions like birthdays or anniversaries, this customizable bag offers a personal touch and everyday utility. What people say. This is a great gift for gay men. The product is well designed and functional. It's a unique and thoughtful present. Number 1. Guncle Definition Rainbow Pride T-shirt. Show your appreciation for the best Guncle in your life. This vibrant T-shirt is a perfect way to celebrate their unique role. Looking for a special gift for your Guncle? This shirt is a thoughtful and colorful present that honors their pride in your bond. Wear your pride in comfort and style. This T-shirt features a beautiful rainbow design, perfect for any proud Guncle. It's more than just a shirt, it's a statement. Celebrate the amazing Guncle who brings joy and pride into your family. Featuring a striking rainbow pride color scheme, this T-shirt is a symbol of love and acceptance. It's a fantastic addition to any wardrobe. Let everyone know you have the coolest Guncle around. This shirt is designed for those who embrace their identity and spread happiness. What we like. Show your pride and affection with this vibrant T-shirt celebrating the Guncle. It's a fun and comfortable way to express your role and support. If you're looking for a light-hearted and meaningful gift for a gay uncle or want to proudly wear your title, this shirt is a perfect fit for casual wear and pride events. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that looks great in any setting. The functionality is excellent, with multiple features that make it versatile. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.